Shenzhen Phoenix Telecom Technology Company Limited is committed to becoming a trusted global high-end manufacturing platform. We possess mature R&D and manufacturing capabilities and can offer customers various services such as ODM, OEM, and EMS. We are well aware that innovation is the greatest driving force for the development of an enterprise. We continuously update the company's IT management system and smart manufacturing production lines, and widely apply advanced technologies to the production process to enhance process stability, product consistency, and the operating rate of production equipment. We place great emphasis on both quality and efficiency. Our SMT component placement is meticulous, and the soldering process is precise. Every step is subject to rigorous quality control to ensure that our products meet high standards and perform excellently. Driven by our unremitting pursuit of quality and efficiency, the DIP factory is equipped with multiple automated production lines. High-capacity and high-precision automated production equipment enable us to effectively control quality. All production and testing equipment in the company has achieved systematic interconnection of data. Meanwhile, the test results of all products can be automatically judged and uploaded to the database in real time, greatly improving the efficiency and accuracy of data processing. The assembly workshop has also realized automated assembly and inspection, significantly reducing defects caused by human factors. The automated testing equipment can adapt to the detection of different technical and quality parameters of various products. It has error prevention functions such as automatic model identification and test software version identification, effectively improving the defect detection rate and testing efficiency and ensuring product reliability. At Phoenix Telecom, our highly automated packaging workshop realizes fully automated operations from label pasting, CCD 6-sided appearance inspection, bagging and boxing, carton inspection, to sealing and palletizing. This not only shortens the product production cycle but also effectively increases the overall production capacity of the production line. To meet the needs of various precision experimental tests for product development, the company has established a complete development laboratory system. Currently, we have a reliability laboratory, an SI laboratory, an EMC laboratory, a wireless laboratory, and a mechanical laboratory. By leveraging the intelligent and information-based electronic warehouse system and integrating the MES manufacturing management system and the ERP system, we have constructed a complete material and product information traceability chain, effectively reducing the material turnover time. In addition, the company is equipped with an advanced SMT first article inspection instrument to solve the problem of sample inspection in the SMT workshop during the manufacturing process. Through SMT welding quality inspection, the welding quality is ensured, and through multiple reliability tests, the product quality is strictly controlled. Phoenix Telecom insists on creating a lean production model featuring a flat structure, multiple varieties, small batches, and multiple batches. We can quickly respond to market changes, accurately meet the personalized needs of customers, create value for customers with the highest efficiency and the most reliable service, and are committed to becoming the most trusted partner of customers. We look forward to cooperating with you. Thank you for watching.